Breaking now for Robert. I got 3 2015 Archives Sigs and 1 2015 Playbook. If it's over 200, all orders over 200 ship for free. Group break ship for free. Starting off, 22/23 auto. Lenny Dykstra for the Phillies. 22/23 Len Dykstra. I don't know. I'll ask my boss see if we're going to get any more in. Next up, 6/17. Or that's 8/17, excuse me. Carlos Delgado, 8/17. 8/12. I cannot read today. 8/12, Carlos Delgado. That's better than 6/17. 8/12, Carlos Delgado. That is 100% what it's out of. It's kind of hard. There's some glare in here. I'll make whatever excuses. Double the signature on it. Carlos Delgado, 8/12 to go with the Lenny Dykstra. Let's see what we get out of here. And 41/59, Howard Johnson for the Mets. 41/59, Howard Johnson for the Mets. Let's go to Playbook. '15 Panini Playbook. We got our 2014 Playbook break going off today, giving away a signed Aaron Donald jersey. That's why it's sitting right here in the room. Starting off 14/99, Luck and T.Y. Hilton, 14/99. Next up, 198/199 Draft Edition, Alvin Bud Dupree for the Pittsburgh Steelers. 198/199, had a really good rookie year for the Steelers. And for the Jets, 23/25, Devin Smith, dual patch rookie card auto. Devin Smith, dual rookie patch auto. Beautiful right there for the Jets, Devin Smith. I believe from Ohio State, 23/25. So nice box of Playbook right there. Thanks for the order. We'll have this packed up and shipped out today.